Our university network is really designed for students and researchers that have access to pretty much whatever they want. And in a hospital environment, we can't do that.
Healthcare has very specific needs regarding availability, continuous operations, and high security. Universities in particular have a much higher tolerance for downtime and other complexities that affect operations. They typically tend to have more of an 8x5 operational model, whereas healthcare is without a doubt and always has been a 24/7 operating model.
With the oncoming implementation of Epic, in a 24/7 environment, I think we finally realized we can't live with the network that we had in place. So we thought, let's try to reduce and simplify our data center footprint. Do that through reduced costs, better operational efficiencies. We wanted to build a data center that was self-healing, easily expandable, node-based, with pretty much off-the-shelf hardware.
When we engaged Vertitech IT for this project, I remember we had a budget of about $7 million for what I call the network project. And then when we did the ROI under the HCI model, it came out at around $3.9 million, which was really surprising to me.
Vertitech IT designed a 3-site continuous operations model that allows a single logical data center to span 3 physical data centers so that we can tolerate the failure of any component up to and including a total site failure. Traditional models tend to use a 2-site replication and failover or a 2-site continuous operations model. The difference in the 3-site model is that because we don't have to build 2x the infrastructure, we can deliver the same level of operational outcomes with less of a capital requirement. One of the other advantages that comes naturally with this hyper-converged platform is all of the storage that's part of this platform is all flash. So we're able to deliver a tremendous amount of performance that can satisfy the needs of literally any application in a modern data center, especially a healthcare data center, on one platform without fear.
We went with Cisco UCS gear for the compute environment, as well as all the networking gear. For our secondary storage, we're looking at Scality, and for our backup options, we're looking at Veeam as a backup solution.
By using the Vertitech IT leverage with the different vendor partners they had, we probably saved close to $2 to $3 million just by obtaining or being able to obtain deep discounts. We are going through the implementation of a new PACS project. And initially, with traditional architecture, we budgeted $7 million for that project, whereas with the HCI architecture, because of the cost savings in both, mostly in storage, the PACS budget has been reduced to about $5 million.
I don't really see Vertitech folks as consultants. Coaches, mentors, teachers. Traditional consultants come in, they do what they do, they want to do it their way, and they leave with a lot of the knowledge of what they did. Having my guys sit with Vertitech folks, they're actually in this from the beginning, from the design all the way through the selection and the build out and configuration. Being so used to lots of consultants coming in and telling us how to do things, I think Vertitech came in with a vision. And once we saw the vision and understood the vision, it really evolved into a partnership.